What's up, my mind your money business people? It's me yet again with another video talking about Nvidia. What a great day in the stock market. Nvidia has now eclipsed Microsoft as the second largest company in the world. That's a major feat to accomplish. Nvidia just closed today at $127.72. That's a $2.80 rise from Friday's closing, right? And it now has a market cap value of $3.133 trillion. And Nvidia today had a volume move of 336,202,648. And when you multiply that times what it closed at, $127.72, that's about $42 billion. $42,939,802,202.56. That's how much money went in and out of this company just today alone. Now, there were many factors on why it went up, because the super micro chip company had a volume of sales go out of 100,000 GPUs, and Nvidia was a part of that, and that was a plus. So let's get into why Nvidia eclipsed Microsoft as the world's second largest company as the stock climbed to a 6-week high. Because just think about this. Just in November, Nvidia, not November, we're not even in November yet, right? In August, Nvidia was down to $90 a share. They called it Black Monday. $90, and now is up to $127. That's $37, people, which is a large jump. So I'm hoping that you're investing, not only into Nvidia, but I hope Nvidia is a part of your stock portfolio, or you have it within one of your S&P 500 or information technology, ETF, mutual funds, exchange traded funds, so on and so forth, right? So let's get into this. It says Nvidia stock rallied Monday despite a broader down day on Wall Street for its biggest technology peers, boosting the artificial intelligence heavyweight to reclaim its spot as the second largest company in the world amid the AI boom. Yeah, because a lot of companies were down today. Microsoft was down. Microsoft went down $6.52. Not a lot. Now, just think about this. Nvidia is really a great buy. Microsoft, even though it's the second largest, it was the second largest company in the world, it has a market cap of $3.044 trillion, right? But the stock sells for $409. Nvidia, on the other hand, is worth a lot more as far as the market cap, $3.133 trillion, but the stock is going for $127.72. It's a lot better buy. But also keep in mind, Nvidia also did a 10-to-1 split this year, back in June, when the stock was selling for $1,200 a share. Then it did a 10-to-1 split, and it came down to $120. So since June, it's only come up $7.72, but it has gone down to like $90. So it was still a great deal. Had you bought during the dip, you would be receiving a lot of gains right about now, like myself, right? So let's get back to the article. So today, Nvidia actually got up. The largest it got up to, Nvidia notched its highest intraday share price since August 26th at $130.64, with shares up about 4.2%. By midday, the Silicon Valley firm reportedly registered its highest market capitalization since August. Yep. In August, Whew. Nvidia now only trails Apple. And what is Apple's market cap. Let's get real-time market cap because Apple went down a little bit today. It went down at $5.11. And Apple, yeah, market cap came down a little. It's now worth $3.371 trillion. Still a lot of money. But Apple is the largest company in the world, right? So now Nvidia is right behind Apple. So Nvidia's strong start to the week came despite broader losses as the S&P 500 slipped, as higher bond yields and oil prices are into equity boosts from shifting U.S. monetary policy. Because remember, there's a war in the Middle East, and since the start of the war, oil prices have been going up. So shares of all $5 trillion companies other than Nvidia fell. Apple fell today. Microsoft fell. Google fell. Alphabet fell. Amazon and Meta all fell today. But Nvidia went up. Nvidia, which designs a full suite of custom AI technology intended for high-end applications like large language models, benefited Monday from fellow AI tech maker Supermicro's announcement that sales for its liquid cooling products deployed alongside Nvidia's graphics processing units was stronger this quarter. I believe 100,000 units went out today, shipping. Another bullish processing unit was strong this quarter. Another bullish analyst note also boosted shares as Melius research analyst Ben Retzes wrote to clients, the setup here is still pretty darn good for Nvidia stock, even as it enjoys an extended bounce. Strong AI spending from the likes of Microsoft, Meta, and ChatGPT parent OpenAI could catalyze consumption of Nvidia's core GPUs, according to Retzes. The demand optimism follows continued comments from Nvidia's centibillionaire CEO Jensen Huang, insisting demand for AI products is so great and insane. And I said that in my video just on yesterday. Again, there are major things happening. We still have a long month. Excuse me. We still have a lot of days left in this month. Also, next month, a lot of big things are happening. On the 5th of November is the U.S. elections. November 6th and 7th is when the Feds meet again. Maybe we will get another rate cut. And again, when money is able to be borrowed at a lower rate, more money can be invested and more products can be bought. Meaning if you're investing into the stock market, the more money that you can make, right? And then November 19th, Nvidia is going to give its earnings report. And I'm expecting that to be a good report, you know. Also, this week, Nvidia is hosting a summit from today, starting the 7th of October till the 9th in Washington, D.C. So I'm quite sure it's talking about a lot of things during that summit. Okay, key background. Monday is a continuation of a month-long period of outsized returns for Nvidia, as its 26 returns since September 6 trounces the S&P 6% gain. So Nvidia currently is beating the S&P 500 during the period, and its $5 trillion peers 7% average gain. Nvidia was briefly the world's largest company in June when its share price peaked at a steel record $140.76. Previously a fair low-profile company known for its video game business, Nvidia became a Wall Street darling as its profits skyrocketed amid the generative AI boom. Skyrocketed is the key word, and amid the AI boom. Nvidia is leading the AI push that they're calling the next industrial revolution. And Nvidia currently controls about 80% of the market in the AI space. And they're expecting AI to become a $1 trillion business. So what if Nvidia has about 80% of that $1 trillion? That's a lot of money the company can make for its shareholders, right? Nvidia's valuation has increased tenfold over the past 2 years. So 21.9 billion. That's how much is in adjusted profits Nvidia is expected to report in its fiscal quarter ending this month. According to average analyst forecast tracked by FactSheet, that's a more than 80% year-over-year increase in earnings before interest, taxes, depreciation, and a more than 1,000% jump from 2022 comparable period. The stock is skyrocketing. I hope you guys are investing. Like, comment, subscribe, share this video. Let me know what you think. If you think anything, I'm not a financial advisor. I'm not a financial planner. I am just someone online, researching, following different stocks, S&P 500, information technology, semiconductor, either way. And I'm sharing my opinion. That's all I'm doing. So do your own research. If you're not trusting of yourself to invest your money, then seek financial help from an advisor and have them invest your money on your behalf. But you need to invest, people. I will always say lower your debt to income ratio. Pull in extra income if you can. Invest as much as possible into the stock market while you can. Stop being distracted. There are things happening in the world. The elections are coming up. Don't let that distract you from investing. The wars are happening all over the place. Don't let that distract you from investing, because you're going to get this. You can easily be distracted. You're paying attention to those things. You're locked in on your television. And then after these things are over, say in a year or two, when you look at your money, you don't have what you need. But had you been investing, you would have made a lot of money. But you first have to do your research. So yeah, Nvidia seems to be skyrocketing. Things can change. Everything's a risk, That's why you have to pay attention. It can be up today, down tomorrow. But it is what it is. All right, so you guys take care. Peace.